Hello YouTube viewers. As you saw in my one video earlier, I could do it with AC adapters. Of course, this one's AC adapter related, but this is my sports radio right here. My 1980 sports radio. But I ran into problems with AC adapters trying to choose which ones I wanted. If you ever get, if you get any technology, like someone gives you a radio or computer speakers with AC adapters, but you have an extra laying around, but you hook it up and it doesn't work, that's a really simple fix. It's the polarity. Like right here, there's a polarity right here, seeing the tip, the little middle part's the negative, and then the positive is the side of this. You look, sometimes your adapters have a diagram right here. I don't know if this camera needs to focus, but see how the polarity is kind of different if the camera can focus. But the positive's in the center. Like how this one in the center was the negative was in the center. And then the side was the negative, but the side for this radio is the positive. All I did, see the stripe wire here? I put the stripe wire on the plain wire, and then the stripe wire coming from the adapter, and then to this end I put the plain wire, and then right here, I'm going to test it to prove to you that this works. There. And I have to do this quick because my battery's dying in my camera. And this is some adapter I took from an old digital picture frame. It's 9 volts. Voltage does matter because it could end up damaging your device, but here.
And song number 143, it's Wild Cherry. Play that funky music.
So, here we go. So this idea works. What I was doing before, with the weird polarity, it kept on buzzing. Nothing would turn on. But here, I did this. I prefer to put wire knots here too. So I put wire knots right here to protect your wires, or you can put heat shrink wrap on it so you don't short out your adapter there. But I hope this video helped you YouTubers out that are having tricky problems hooking stuff up. Hope you enjoyed this video, subscribe to me, and have a great day.